Why can't I open the box? Okay, there we go. Me and boxes. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the August 2021 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Yay, I'm excited. This box actually arrived, I want to say Monday or Tuesday, and then I had to sit and stare at it all week long because I can only film on the weekends. So I'm super excited to see what I got. For those who are new to what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription which costs $25 and you receive 5 full-size products. You do get to select one, possibly 2, I can't remember, maybe one of the items, and it's been a while since I did the selection that I can't even remember what I selected. So hopefully when I see it I'll go, oh yeah, I remember picking that. Don't count on it because my memory's bad. Alright, let's see what the theme is this month. Alright, so this is the Boxycharm Go All Out. I am iteration 23. Alright, please have some good items. I've done a few unboxings already today, and let's just say the major competitor did not come through. Alright, what is this first item? Oh, okay, so this is from Iconic London, and it's the Ultimate Bronzing Powder. And I am 99.9% sure this is what I selected. Please be a good shade match for me. Alright, so the packaging is quite shimmery, almost like a mirror. It is a mirror, you can see yourself, and this is rather large. Alright, what is the shade, and how do you open? Alright, right here. Oh. Ooh. Yes, that looks lovely. Alright, I'm going to do a swatch and pray I can use this. Yes, I think that will be really good for my fair skin tone. Wow. This should last quite a long time. This Ultimate Bronzing Powder from Iconic London retails for $35. Alright, Boxy, off to a great start. What else did I get? Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Clean Skin Club, and it's a pineapple glow mist with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. I love pineapple. Ooh, I hope it smells like pineapple. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful packaging. This is actual glass, and you have a nice ombre effect. Ooh, please have a good spritzer. What? Is that a safety? Wait, it said it's a mist. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm just blonde moment. It is a mist, it's not a cap. There's the little sprayer. Okay. Do I have to shake this up? Yes, so the ombre, well, I don't know if the glass is ombre. I'm just going to shake it up just in case. All right, let's, oh, what a fine mister. All right, I'm just going to go for it. I'm not picking up any pineapple scent or much of a scent, but that mister is up there with the Morphe Continuous Spray. Oh wow, this mist is a little pricey, although it's got really bougie packaging. It retails for $38. All right, Boxycharm, you're 2 for 2. All right, next item. Oh my god, I don't even know what this is, and we're already 3 for 3 because I saw the brand. This is from Kate Somerville, and it's the Exfolicate Glow Moisturizer. I love Kate Somerville. Very shishy, very bougie, but I love her products, or every one I've tried thus far. Why can't I open the box? Okay, there we go. Damn boxes. Oh, okay. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's a soft green. I love her moisturizers. Are such a I don't want to say watery, but they're like a nice light cream, not too thick, and I love a cream. This was almost be like a cream slash gel kind of combined. It's not a gel, but it's very light. Oh, and it does have a soft scent that isn't obnoxious, and don't make me describe it because I'm the worst. Kind of skincare, spa-like, maybe slight citrus. Do not quote me, but I am ecstatic. Shut up, although I should know better. This product from Kate Somerville retails for $70. Although that makes sense because I recently picked up the goat milk moisturizer, and it also retailed for $70. OMG, Boxycharm. You came in my life at the right moment. Post Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. 3 for 3. All right, next item. What is this little guy? All right, so we have Shadowflip from Ciate, London. Interesting. Oh, iconic London, I guess. I was going to say, did we get two products from the same brand? I've never seen that. I guess iconic London is different than Ciate London. Brain. Not doing well today. What are you? Other than very, very tiny. Okay, I presume because it's called a Shadowflip, this is going to be a liquid eyeshadow. Let me reference the card. Okay, so the Ciate London Shadowflip retails for $20, and I was correct. It is a liquid eyeshadow. And it also has shade shifting, color flipping pigments, and it creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids and blends seamlessly into a multi-tonal look in just one simple step. Okay. I hope I like this shade because I am intrigued and I'm dying to give it a try. Oh, interesting. It's... The only way to describe it is like baby poop. Or at least like that. It looks like baby poop. And then it shifts and it looks more kind of coppery. But it goes from kind of like a green, cool tone to like a warmer copper. It dried down really quick, so I suggest when you put it on, blend it out as quickly as possible. All right, that one I'm a little, just because I'm not really into the liquid eyeshadows. All right, what is the last item? What is this? I thought it was a cream at first, and now there's, I don't know what's in there. Worms, a science experiment. What, like earplugs? What are those little things? Okay, this is called Pineapple Haze from a brand called Truly. Oh, and I see a little like marijuana symbol. I'm gonna have to read the card to figure this one out. Okay, so this product had me stumped, and reading it, it's crazy. It's from Truly Beauty, and it's a Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It retails for $16. Is it just, it looks almost like if you frost cakes. Now that I know it's a lip butter, but before it looked like a bunch of little, like, I don't know, things plopped into a jar. Oh. It is neon green. All right. What I do for you, I'm very intrigued. Oh, it does feel like a butter. It doesn't seem to It feels lovely. Definitely feels like a butter, both when you tap it with your finger and when you put it over your lips, which already had like 17 lip products. The only problem, and you get a lot. The only problem, I'm just not into lip products where you have to dip your finger in, but I dipped, I touched, it's mine, and I'm sure I will use it. It's very interesting, though, that it's so neon green. And please tell me my lips don't look green. No, okay. It feels very comfortable. It's very moisturizing and slippy. So if you like to purse your lips together, you will love this product. All right, well, let's recap everything I got in my box. So I got a bronzer, a facial mist, a CBD lip butter, a liquid duochrome eyeshadow, and a moisturizer from Kate Somerville. What are your thoughts? I am super excited about the Kate Somerville moisturizer and this ginormous bronzer, which looks to be a really good shade match. I love a good facial mist, and this packaging is super bougie, very hefty, and real glass. This is very interesting, and it's quite a large amount. My only mini complaint is I'm not into tapping, and then you gotta wipe your finger off, but I will use this. All right, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total with the MSRP value, and let's see what the value of the items in this box were. Let me know. Did you get a really good box from Boxycharm this month? Boxycharm can be hit or miss. To me, this box was fantastic. When I love and adore and will use 4 out of the 5 products, that's a home run box for me. Particularly after unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag X, which when you see, I don't know which video will go up first, but if you follow me, you will see why I feel this way. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For everyone who has already, thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And then this guy right down around here, it would mean the world to me if you would click that like button. It really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.